Alright, so those chords for the chorus, E, you know, we're going to play the B like this with 2 finger here on the 4th fret of the D, 2nd finger, 4th fret of the G, 4th finger, 2, 3, 4, all on the 4th fret. The slat pinky is on the B, first finger on the 2nd fret of the E string. So you have those 4 chords. And then the C sharp minor, you're sliding up to the 4th fret with your 1st finger, 2nd fret on the 5th fret of the B string, 3rd finger on the 6th fret of the D, and pinky finger on the 6th fret of the G. Back down to the 2nd fret for an A chord, which you know, 2 finger here, 3 finger here, 4 finger here. 1, 2, 3. Alright, and then we're going back to a B, and then an E. So that covers all of the shapes. So then the pattern for each chord, the E chord, your bass. I'm going to keep everything with your 1 on the G, 2 on the B, and 3 on the, or index middle ring, G, B, E. Thumb is going to hit the big string for the E chord, so then we're moving to the B chord, and your bass note changes to the D string. 2 of those. And then your C sharp minor is the same. And 2 of those. Then you have an A chord, just 1 of those. And then another B chord, just 1 of those. And then 2 E chords again. We're in the outro, 2 B chords. C sharp minor, 2 of those. And now we have 2 A chords. Actually, we don't have 2 A chords. We have 1.5-ish. So you're going to go. And strum an E chord. So we were both young when I first saw you.